Hi, today I'm front of me Cat S75 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So we should first hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one. And now we could see that we just successfully created the new home screen folder. If you want to give a name or renamed it, just tap on the name and enter for example, the apps. Tap to OK, and now we could see that we just successfully renamed our folder. If you want to move this folder here on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it. To remove application from the home screen, you could hold and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen, but if you want to remove it from the home screen and from the folder, hold it and drag it to remove icon. And also, for example, if you want to remove a couple of apps with a folder together in one click, you should just hold it and also drag it to remove icon. But don't worry, all of the removed applications from the home screen, they will stay here in the apps menu. You'll remove only the item. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.